Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and it's not focusing great. Yeah, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be making Tyrion Lannister from Game of Thrones. And yeah, because obviously you probably already know that season 8's now out, and that's the last season of Game of Thrones. I'm not on season 8 yet. I will be starting season 7 soon, because I've recently just been catching up on all of it. But yeah, I'm on like season 7, so. And I thought, oh, I'll just put Tyrion Lannister, might make him. This is before he gets his beard though, it's just like season 1, 2, I believe 3. But yeah, to make Tyrion, you need this, like, medium nugget kind of hair piece, which is from like a collectible minifigure football player from like a few years ago. And the face, if it focuses, well, the face is from one of the Mandalorian troopers from that like Star Wars Mandalorian battle pack a few years ago. You can kind of see his face. I think it's good because he's got like the blue eyes. He's got some of the facial kind of like lines on it, which I think looks good. Yeah, you can see it now. Yeah. And then for the body I use this like, I think it's like a Shakespeare kind of torso thing. Oh, a hand fell off. But yeah, I use that, I change the arms to black, and then just put on skin tone arms. This fell out, but yeah. And his hand I put this, it was like gold glass, because obviously if you've watched the show, you know, he likes to drink a lot. And then for his legs, it's put these short brown legs. I think it could be look better in black, but I couldn't find any black ones, so I just used brown. So yeah, I think it still looks pretty good. Yeah, so thanks for all the likes and whatever on my recent videos, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and all for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.